What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get into your Chrysler Pacifica if your key fob dies. So that might be a situation, maybe you're at the lake, you jumped in, it got wet, it got fried, maybe the battery in it is all the way dead. But in any case, I'm going to show you how to get into your car. So in this situation, your car is locked, you have no way to get in. What we're going to do is take the emergency key out of the key fob, and that's done by pressing this little button on the side here. And then this is going to come out. And we're going to use it in this cylinder to unlock it. But before we do that, what you need to realize is as soon as we unlock it and then open it, the alarm is going to go off. And in order to get it started, what we're going to need to do is take our dead key fob, and using the tip of it, we're going to press the stop start button, and then that's going to turn the alarm off. I just want you to be aware of that ahead of time because you're not really going to be able to hear me once that starts happening. So now that we got our key out and prepared to jump in and start it, once we do that, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and unlock it. We have our emergency key out. You're going to put that in the key cylinder, and I should also say we're on the driver's door here. We'll turn it once to the right and pull out. Now this is unlocked, and as soon as we open the handle, the alarm's going to start going off, and we're going to jump in and again start it. So I just want you to be aware before we get going. So that's it, pretty simple. You'll actually want to do that even if you just need to get in the vehicle, because again, that's going to disarm the alarm. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.